Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. And what we're going to look at in this video is how to invite remote users to your UniFi Protect setup. Now, we've had several people and myself uh, wade through maybe some of the confusion on this, right? So here is our UniFi Protect. This is running on my UDM SE. And if we go to settings and we go to admins and users, you can see I'm a user. I'm also an admin. But what some people are running into is when you click create new user, and this is for Protect, you'll fill all of this out. They never get an invite, and they never receive that to the email address that you send. And so what this is doing is this is creating, that local user. Now, if you want to create a user that's going to get the invite to be able to see the cameras, here is how we are doing this. Now, I don't know if this is official ubiquity. I don't know, but this is how we're doing it, right? So what we're doing, and this is also going to give you fine grain control over what cameras they can see, right? So we're going to go to admins, and over here we're going to go to manage roles. And over here, we're going to create a new role, and we're going to call this Protect Remote User. And under these, we are going to give them no access to any of the other applications except for Protect. Now, under Protect, you've got full management, live view, view only, custom, or none. Now, if you want to limit the cameras and devices that the user can see, you can click custom and then hit select devices. It's going to bring up a list of devices that you have adopted to Protect, and then it's going to ask you if you want to give them full management, view only, or no permission. So for this user, I want this user to do live view only. So, and I'm going to denote that in the name. We'll just say live. Apparently we've got a 30 character limit. So we're going to go ahead and create. So now we've got Protect Remote User Live. And now what I can do is under the admin tab, not the user tab, is I can create a new admin. I'm going to use a predefined role that is that Protect Remote User Live. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to put the user's email address in here. And now, if this was a real email address, I can just use mine. I don't think it's going to let me do it. And you can restrict them to local access only, where they have to log into the actual device instead of unifi.ui.com. But that unifi.ui.com access will allow you, if you don't have a VPN and you don't want to open up the ports to the internet, you can use the app, you can use a web browser, and have these users just go through the portal, which I definitely think is a good option. You also want to make sure that you're using a UI.com account, because it's going to enforce MFA on those accounts. So I can hit create, and it says that this email address is already registered. I could put in, James at howx5.com, hit create, and now James is going to get an email that is telling him that I've given him access and it's pending. And then once he clicks the accept button in the email, James can now live view only the cameras that are on this UniFi Protect system. So that's how we've been doing it. I don't know if that's the official way to do it. Somebody let me know down in the comments, but I'm telling you that it works. And when you add a local user only, the few times we've run into this, or when you use the users, it's adding them as a local user only. It's not sending that invite, even though the consoles are bound to unifi.ui.com. So maybe we're completely missing something with this. Let me know down below, but this is how we have been fixing that. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow me on Twitter and TikTok. Those links are down below, along with affiliate links Patreon link. And if you need IT consulting for anything from cameras to security to voice over IP to storage, wired and wireless networking, go to williehow.com, fill out the contact form that's on the front page, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. You can also join the conversation about this over at community.williehow.com. Once again, I'm Willie. I want to thank you for being here, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.